1,000 steps.
Okay. Here we reach 1,000 steps. Lloyd,
Vlogger.
anong masasabi mo?
Maganda.
Maganda. May gusto ka bang i-vlog? Ay, shout out?
Shoutout kila at May, Ian, Mia.
Oh.
Tayo dito.
How about you, Red?
Basta okay. It's good po. And you know, whenever you go out and see the nature, talagang
Very refreshing.
it's refreshing and all.
Yeah. Alright. So, ipakita natin sa kanila kung gaano kaganda yung view. Yan po, ang Magat Dam. Yan. Yan po ang reservoir ng Magat Dam. And little information, Magat Dam is the largest reservoir in Southeast Asia.
May fact check niyan.
Yes. And the mountains,
What's the largest
360
dam
mountains.
reservoir in
Right.
Southeast Asia?
Alright, so let's sign out sa ano natin, vlog
Sarang
natin.
kayo.
Ayun
Sarang
sa'yo.
kayo. Sarang kayo.
Bye, sarang